Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Stock Strats. So today we'll be kicking off a new series called Top Stock Ideas, as part of which we'll be periodically sharing our watch list for stocks that are setting up and are looking good from a swing trading perspective. We want to highlight that the views shared are only for learning and educational purposes. Please do your own research or consult your financial advisor before you take positions. Right, so here are the top names that are on our watch list for the trading week commencing on 13th of September. Let's crack on and have a look at the charts. So let's begin with Polyplex. The first thing that you might notice here is the strong buying force that has been driving the price up. If I move over to the weekly view, I can see that the stock has been moving up on significantly high volumes, and it is evident here by having a look at the green volume bars. However, for the last few weeks, the stock has been consolidating and has gone sideways. If you notice here, the stock has not lost much from its all-time highs, and it's just about 17% retracement from its highs. So which suggests that this might be a profit booking and not necessarily selling that has been going on. The next thing you'll notice here is that whenever the stock is trying to break its 50 MA, you see that the buyers are stepping in and buying in good volumes. Right. So here again on the 20th of August, you can see that there was an attempt to to break the 50 MA, and the buyers again stepped in. Now you can see that the stock has started forming higher lows. It's kind of consolidating nicely near its highs and resting well on the upward sloping key EMS. One key thing for you to also note is the volumes here. So the volumes here probably are suggesting that the supply is now drying up and the stock should probably start moving up pretty soon. So I would be looking to buy the script, above this pivot and have a stop loss around this area, right? So we always try to have tight stop losses because we primarily are looking to trade swing positions. And if you have this tight stop losses, the risk reward is in your favor. Moving on, next we have Datamatics Global. So this is an interesting script. It's been on our watch list for a while now. It initially popped up on our power play list. You can see here that the stock made an up move of over 100% in an 8-week period, and it has just retraced about 23%, right? And it was surfing its key EMS for some time, and then it formed an actionable pivot here around this area, 303 area, and then it on the 27th of August, you could see a breakout here with on the back of good volumes. I think in the next couple of days, the stock must have given about 15%. Yes, so about 14.5%. Now, what I see is it's trying to retest this and it's now offering a good entry point around here. So I would be looking to go long with the tight stop loss again here around 303, 302 area. Moving on to Ramasteel tubes. So this stock has made a monstrous up move of about 260%, and the heartening part is that it's not given back much. The sellers have been able to only knock down the price by about 16%, and it's now forming a beautiful actionable pivot here around this area 242. It's gone really tight. The volumes are really drying up now, and I'll be looking to go long over this area, and again with the stop loss of uh, around 220 levels, 222. The next name we have for you is Best Agro. I think this is a relatively new listing on NSE. Yes, so this was listed on the 22nd of Feb. It formed a beautiful IPO base. It gave a big breakout of the IPO base on the 13th of August. It retested that breakout and has been moving up nicely ever since. It's given a move of about 40% already. However, the reason we have it here today is because of the narrow range candles that are there in the last 4 5 days, and the volumes are also kind of dried up, and the relative strength here is screaming buy. So yes, this is a name that interests me, and I would be looking to go long in this over this area. However, I would have liked the 10 MA to be closer, and yeah, maybe this might take another 3 4 days to set up right. Then we can take a long position. Moving on, we have Gulshan Poly. So this had, yes, this again had good buying force driving it higher. Um, However, I think over the last few weeks it has seen a correction. Let's see how much it has retraced from its highs. Yes, it has retraced about 27%. Uh, Again, here you might notice that just like Polyplex, the script has not been able to break its 50 MA on the downside. So whenever it comes near the 50 MA, the buyers are stepping in and making sure that there is no close below the 50. This has happened like a couple of times now. Again, I see an actionable pivot being formed around this area, and this is now starting to form higher lows. It's tightening. The MS are also supporting. The volumes are drying up, so everything looks right. So a strong close above this area should give you a reason to go long. I would like to have the stop loss a little tighter here. Probably have it around the 240 area, 243 area or the 20 MA, whichever works better. Uh, Next we have Gravita India. The reason we have this name here is because this is one stock which is close to a multi-year breakout. You can see here that in July 2012, the stock was trading in this region, and I think it's now again somewhere in the same area. Moving over to the weekly view, we can see that for the last few weeks, buyers have really stepped in and they are driving the price higher. Coming to the daily view, the stock has been consolidating for a while now. We tried a breakout attempt on the 16th of August. It did give a breakout again on good volumes, as you can see here. However, it was not able to sustain that. It saw some selling, and there was a false breakout that happened here. Right. However, after that, you can see that it's been tightening in this area. The volumes again, they're significantly low. This stock tried to break out on the 9th of September. However, it just quoted. But it gives you enough reasons to be interested and to keep a lookout for a good close about this area, and you can potentially go long. So for this name, we have a slightly higher, stop loss because we see that stocks which give multi-year breakouts have a tendency to keep moving for a few weeks. So we want to give the stock a bit of breathing space. So we have put the stop loss around uh, the 188, 189 level. Right. So the last name today is Wheels India. Yep. So what I really like about this is the strong volumes here on the last up move. It's pretty much a linear up move, right? And there was no consolidation anywhere. And from its highs, the stock has now retraced about 26%. And you'll notice that it is surfing, it's now surfing the 10 and the 20 EMA. It has started forming higher lows, as you can see here, and the volumes have really dried up. So yes, so I'm watching this. I want to make sure that I get the right entry point. I expect it to trade around this area for some time and then probably give a breakout here, and that's when I'll be looking to go long. Again, I want to keep the risk in check. I'll probably trail it with the 20 MA after a breakout does come.
I hope you liked the video. Do consider hitting the like button in case you found the video useful. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have more interesting content coming your way. Thanks for watching.